sound like me.
What's up, guys? So we're back in the truck. So we're about to me and Pop's about to head to Walmart, and that's where the dog chased me. Well, it didn't chase me, but it came out on me. But we about to head to Walmart and handle some business about getting the microwave and go from there. But you got anything you want to say, Pops?
Oh, not today, not today.
So
watch and pray, not today.
But it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, well, Brooks said any day above ground's good. Although I'm kind of looking forward to being on the other side, but I don't know what it looks like. But we have a glimpse from the Bible.
True.
If you believe it. Believe it, receive it, walk in it.
True. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely walk that trail sometime. I'm gonna walk that trail probably sometime next week. Go to that trail again. I really enjoyed that trail.
Definitely being for sure.
Definitely for sure. I know. I gotta work on my vocabulary more. I always try to find comfort words, because I'm always thinking about other things that it kind of gets me off track. So I end up putting a safe word.
Maybe the folks out there can give you some new words to use. Give a sentence, for instance. You know, instead of saying, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm not for sure. There's all kinds of ways we can say that.
True.
I'm not recollecting that for sure.
But man, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day.
Definitely.
See, I ain't used to that time.
I have to say those things just to be emphatic about it.
I know. So definitely enjoy your day. If you got get a chance to walk and enjoy this beautiful day, and just soak in the sun and let the peace continue to flow through your heart and stuff. So it's definitely a beautiful day. It's a good day to play pickleball, but we ain't gonna come back over this side. It's too much walking.
Wore out by the time you get there.
Yeah. Too much walking until you get to the court. But other than that, I'll check back in with y'all later once we get this microwave, and we take it over to my sister and go from there. So definitely have a good day. I'll check back in with y'all. What's up, guys? So just got out of Walmart and about to head to where my sister at, and got the microwave and stuff, so all set for that. And the traffic it's a good amount of traffic on the road. But we're gonna make the best of it. There's a lot of people out today. Man, there's a lot of people out today. It's a lot. That's why they building that new Biscuitville over there on Battleground. Man, Chick-fil-A is packed. But
Seems like, I don't even think that they really desire to open up the dining rooms People, they get all they want from drive-through. They don't
True.
have to have all those workers in the dining room. They just
Less cleaning up.
yep.
Just in and out.
Yep.
Grab and go. Pay, grab, and go. But I ain't seen a yellow car in a minute. That's the first yellow car I've seen.
That was yellow. Not yellow.
That was yellow. Yellow or yellow?
That person used to answer the phone. Yellow. Another person says orange and green. Get it?
Man.
Hello. Some people slur it and make it say yellow.
Yellow. Hello.
Yellow.
Mellow. Fellow.
You're a poet and didn't even know it.
But man, it's wow, it's packed over there.
You're gonna have.
Man,
you're gonna
everybody-
see this car, these cars stop and let the people go through.
Yeah.
Bam. People don't like that, but it doesn't make any difference because the right light up here is red.
Yeah. I mean, it's showing courtesy. But it gets kind of difficult crossing it though, sometimes.
So wouldn't Miss Phyllis go up there and buy 2 for 2?
Yeah.
2 fish sandwiches?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah, they are good.
It's a lot of work they're doing on this road.
I don't see that it's accomplished everything that they wanted it to accomplish.
What they doing, a sidewalk or just straight?
Well, no, they tried to widen it and then putting sidewalks in.
Mm.
And they put a median over there on Westridge Road.
Mhm.
But they got the sidewalk in. But, you know, they barely squeaked in a one lane over there.
Yeah.
But they got sidewalks, and most of the time, people very seldom ever use them. But there still are people that need sidewalks.
Yep.
But,
Cause I use them in a minute.
yeah.
But comment below, tell me how your day going so far and how's the weather you're in. And also, what is y'all plans for dinner? Man, there's a lot of people out today. This whole strip of battleground is just packed.
77 degrees today, so.
Oh, 77? Oh yeah, everybody gonna be
Well, people tired of being homebound.
true. Yeah, because when it first started off when it was locked down, I didn't like it. Because like when I used to drive, I was hardly at home. I was hardly ever at home.
Well, you find you at Walmart.
Yep, true. Wally World. That's like mostly places I shop at. And like, well, grandma, she'll go to Sam's Club and Costco. I like going to those two. Now that's like Walmart, Sam's, and Costco is my 3 favorite.
Yeah, you know where I go. Used to go to Lowe's and Home Depot pretty regular.
True.
I don't do that too much anymore.
Yeah. Cause I mean, I can understand that because you was going there because of
Building trades.
yeah. And those type of stores that you enjoyed and you related to.
Yeah.
What in the world are you doing? They didn't even have that signal light on, did they?
Signal lights don't make much difference.
Yeah. It's not even bright enough. When it's like the sun's so bright, you can barely see them. This road look different. Or is it just me?
That's probably you.
It just looks different. But yeah. So, oh, why? Hey, truck just pulled out in front of us. Glad he went to the other side instead of just going to this side.
Yeah, but you never know. He might whip it back over.
Yeah, true. That would be crazy.
I tend to drive defensively.
Got to these days. If I had my license now, I don't want them. Because it's not, I don't know, people drive too crazy these
A little
days.
bit nerve-wracking out here.
Yeah. It ain't.
That's why I let Miss Phyllis drive most of the time. But she makes me nervous when she drives. I need your help. Can I go? You know, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
You know what bless your heart? You know what that means?
Bless your heart.
Yeah.
I don't know. Every time I used to hear that, I thought it was kind of like a rude remark or something, like in a godly way. I don't know.
Sounds good, but most of the time it don't mean nothing.
Yeah, I thought it always meant like something like, I don't know, off the wall stuff. Like you just trying to say something real nicely, but you ain't trying to say it like
Sugarcoat.
yeah. I don't know.
I don't either.
It's amazing how we come up with words that
Well,
try to add on, but it doesn't really mean anything.
yeah, used to people say, whatever.
Oh yeah.
With an attitude.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that word always come up with an attitude. And a lot of people don't like the word when you ask them why. A lot of people don't like that word.
Why?
Yeah, you ask them why. I don't know, it's just like it just hits a nerve or something. A tender nerve.
Cause I said so. That's why.
Yep. But I just wish we just stop beating around the bush with each other and just understand like true honesty. You know what I mean? Just talking to each other.
Well, what if you come up there and you stink? Now you say, can you soften that a little bit, please?
But I mean, now if you say that, now if you say that in front of like a group, then yeah, that's messed up. But I mean, if you pull them to the side and be like, okay, you smelling a little bit.
Hey, you got to do something about that bad breath, then.
Yeah.
Who, me?
Yeah, cause I remember when I was in South Carolina, I had like 2 or 3 teeth that was like rotten. I had to really get them out my mouth, and it was making my breath stink really bad.
Not you.
I had like 4 teeth bad when I was in South Carolina.
Get them removed? Or what?
I did.
Is that why you work so hard on brushing your teeth?
Huh?
Is that why you work so hard on brushing your teeth?
Oh no, I always brush my teeth.
Yeah, well, I mean, You work pretty hard on them.
Oh, yeah. When you always communicating with somebody, you gotta make sure your brother's nice.
Yeah. I remember Pastor Bill.
What was this? Hello? Hey, Ma. Yeah, I'm on my way now to bring the microwave. I had bought a microwave from Walmart. Yeah, right here on well, I can't say where I'm at because I'm recording, but read nearby. Alright. But yeah, I'll see you in a little bit though. Oh, she gone? Oh, okay.
Somebody at the house?
Yeah, I'm on there.
Okay. Shirley Love.
Okay. But we're right here on Summit, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. Huh? Alright, Mom. Bye. No, that was mine. So I'm gonna definitely holler at y'all a little bit later.
Definitely or emphatically?
Well, emphatically. Well, I can't even say that. Man, forget that. Indefinitely.
Indubitably.
Absolutely. But we're
Oh, sure.
Yeah. At this minute, at this hour, I love y'all, and definitely keep rocking with us. You'll definitely see more of me, Pops, Grandma, and other people. That support the channel and stuff. We definitely holler at y'all later, cause I gotta take care of this. Can't hold the camera and hold the microwave at the same time, so I'll definitely holler at y'all later. Love y'all. Peace.
Oh, really? So I just got back and following this cat around, and like somebody had to go take a mean one. But let's cut that.
God. So hope y'all having a good day today, and stress free. Just got back to the house, sleepy. This man constantly just grinding, trying to continue to build up my channel, and just to keep encouraging people through my life, having macular degeneration, and to not give up no matter what you have. So, and my passion into like taking pictures and to go and just enjoying life. But Grandma in there cooking. I will record in there, but Pops is looking at TV, so I ain't trying to be got for copyright, because I want us to be able to talk through what she's doing and stuff, and it won't be the same as just muting the background. And I mean, I can show you the food, but I don't know, it just won't be the same, because you want to hear her voice on, you know what I mean, what she's cooking and stuff. But hope you have a good rest of your day. I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, because this day, because I don't want to be up too late editing this video and stuff. So then I took some pictures. So, but definitely holler at y'all on the next video. I love y'all. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.